The first step, tap onto the Instagram app and open up Instagram. Then tap on your profile picture to open up your page. On the upper right hand side, there are 3 lines or 3 dots. Tap onto those 3 lines. It's going to direct you here, and then you tap on settings and privacy to continue. Then you're going to tap on account center. It's the first option. Don't scroll down. The very first option, tap onto that account center. It's going to direct you here, and you're going to tap on the second option, which is personal details, and then it's going to direct you here. You tap on accounts ownership and control, you continue, and then you continue to deactivation or deletion. After that, it's going to open up all the accounts you have with Meta, and you choose the one that you want to delete or deactivate. It's going to direct you here, and then you decide what you want, either to delete or to deactivate, and then you tap on it, and it's going to direct you here where it asks you to enter in your password, and immediately you enter your password, it will have deleted the page. If you like this video, kindly hit that subscribe button and also give the video a big thumbs up. Bye.